Okay, so we're down in the alleys of Taipei, and this particular one, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be starting way down there. There's a car coming, hope I don't get hit here. But way down there's an alley, and I started way down at the beginning of on the other side. And actually I'm in another street right here, but that's the street that we're going to do, which is that one right down there. And nice crowded day today in Taipei, and I'm just kind of seeing and showing you some of these cities and streets here. All right. Check it out, Taipei 2023. Okay, we're kind of on this main street right here, and I think this is called Ximending, this neighborhood that we're at. Station is down that way. And we're basically going to go down some alleys, and basically I just kind of let you know what I'm doing. Usually I'll film, is that our street right there? Zhonghua Lane. So I believe it's called Lane 114, so I believe that's what we're going to be focusing on. And what I usually do is I just kind of film streets. So what we're going to do is just come down here and just film whatever we can film, whatever we see, whatever detail there is, whatever interesting thing we come across. And I'm basically based in, let's check this out, Super Hot Noodles. And you can actually sit outside too. That is kind of cool. So I'm based in Hong Kong, Macau, so the channel is based on that. Usually I film streets in Macau and Hong Kong. Yeah, this is Lane 114. But I'm new to Taipei visiting, and the city is cool. Really, really like it a lot. I'm in Ximending, which is kind of a hip Shibuya-like. Feels a little bit like Japan, feels a lot like Japan, and a lot like South Korea as well, which makes sense because there's a big connection with Japan, and of course it's its own unique place. Got lots of clothing stuff. Yeah, there's actually, I just saw some karaoke too, so here's a little bit of karaoke room things. Right in there it says okay. And actually today there's a lot of young people, so I think that today is like a holiday for no school today, because it's about 12 o'clock noon on a Thursday, but it's really close to Chinese New Year. Looks kind of cool. So I think what I'm seeing is the uniqueness of the time. And I don't know, it might not be a reflection of the reality of what the city really looks like. Let's see what they got here. Looks like they got some food here. Oh, that looks really tasty. Looks really tasty. Okay. Got another one over here too. Okay. So we're gonna keep on going. We're kind of in this little main area right in here. Let me just kind of, we're gonna keep on walking down this. I believe this lane is the same lane. And the station is down that way. And this seems to be kind of a main walking street here in Ximending. Probably for people that live here. It's probably like, well, duh. But for me, it's kind of cool. There's a tattoo shop there. Lots of people hanging out today. Gonna catch them all. Did somebody say hi? I thought I heard hi. I was gonna say hi, but I don't see the person. They said hi and I turned and nobody was looking at me, so maybe but usually if they say hi, I'll usually turn the camera and I'll say hi back. So we're still down the same alley, I believe. So hopefully we'll come and check Joy and Wrap. That reminds me a lot of hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Nice.
We got some kind of cool other alleys down here too. I saw this Joy and Wrap somewhere earlier as well. Yeah, I think people are going to be quite receptive to the camera. There's a Don Don Donkey. We're going to keep... There's all these kind of cool little alleys everywhere too. And also these motor scooters, shabu shabu. Used to have those everywhere when I was in Korea. What was I gonna say? Yeah, I don't know. These looks like these are all closed. There's like a whole little row of things here. It's quite a bit. I don't know. I'm kind of curious. Like this COVID just ended, so the tourism is back. So I came on over, and places like where I'm at in Macau and Hong Kong, they've just been closed. So the tourism in Macau is kind of crazy right now. So it's interesting just to go from the craziness of that over to here, and it's a totally different vibe. Taipei Street? Is that called Taipei Street? So this could be called Taipei Street. It's gonna keep on going down. There's the lane, Hanjiang Street. So I believe that this whole street is called Hanjiang Lane or Hanjiang Street. The other one said 11, so I guess the numerical system is 11, 50. Let's just see. They keep on going down. Let's see if this is still Hanjiang or not. And it might be called Taipei Street as well, maybe? I guess we'll find out in a moment. That looks really cool right there. So this here, we got a vending machine. Oh, it's a game. So I guess you see what soda you get, I guess. It's kind of cool. Some more street art over here too. Always with you. Oh, this is different. This is called Ximending Road. So this has a different name. So I guess our street was back there a little bit, but I do like this artwork quite a bit. It's like we're gonna come out to a parking garage as well. And we'll just go down a little bit further. Yeah, there's parking garage in here, and let me just kind of find a good ending spot. Giant toilet there. Reminds me a lot of Korea too. Korea kind of has a lot of artwork and cool stuff everywhere, and Taipei does too, so that toilet is quite cool looking. So more of these lanes. Okay. So that was our focus. Looks like there's a giant parking garage right here too. And I guess we're gonna end it right here, so yep, another part of Taipei. We'll label the street accordingly. Okay, that was another street of Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking on the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go.